So I'm going to show you in this video how you can back up your WordPress website. So what we're going to have to do here is to first, we're going to have to go to, so I'm going to go here to manage, and here I'll click on admin panel, because we're going to have to install and activate a plugin right on WordPress. So I'm going to go here to plugins, and I'm going to click on add a new plugin. And here in the search bar, I'll write duplicator. Okay. And now here we're gonna click on install. And from here, what we're gonna have to do is to navigate, activate, and then we're gonna have to navigate to duplicator, which is right over here. And then here, what we're gonna have to do is to click on here, new, create new. Name, you have here a name. And now, when I'm gonna click on here, next, scanning, and now click on build to generate a backup. Okay, and just wait until the backup is completed. You can download the zip backup file directly from the download both files button, and the backup also can be located in the WP content, like in backup files, I believe. And now I can click on here, download both files, allow, and that's pretty much it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video.